So I have clients that come to me that have been rolling their debt for years. And what I mean by that is they put all of their debt on the zero interest card. They continue to pay it. Then when the zero interest expires, they go and they get another zero interest card and they roll that debt around. And this actually is very effective and can be used as a strategy because they end up only paying about 3 to 4% on that debt or a balance transfer fee. If they're lucky, they get a card that has 0% balance transfer fee and 0% offers. What happens though is if your debt is not actually continuing to go down every year and it keeps increasing, there'll be a point, depending on someone's income, where, let's say it's over $30,000 of debt, or I have clients that come to me with 60, 100, 200, 250. It starts to become a problem where you can't do that anymore. So if you are playing that game, definitely reach out and find out what your threshold is, because I have people that don't realize that they can't continue to do that after a certain point, depending on how much income they make. And if they knew that, they wouldn't have added more debt to their cards that last year. Now they're in a situation where they're either paying 29% interest on their cards, or they're considering either a bankruptcy or a debt consolidation or negotiation program. And this can totally be prevented if they know what their threshold is on their debt, what they can comfortably handle, and what they can actually refinance effectively without killing themselves with payments and interest. You have to understand that with some of these cards, they only have 1% payments. So if you have a $50,000 card and your payment is $500 a month, and all of a sudden that card hits 29%, for example, your payment now is not $500, it's $1,500 a month. Who has an extra $1,000 a month just to throw at interest every month as part of their financial plan? It doesn't exist. It's not intelligent even. So you should definitely find out about how to properly handle your credit. Everyone's going to have a different situation. Everybody makes different amounts of money. Everyone has different levels of debt. But find out from me what you can do about that.